Guess what? If you're a HubSpot Service Hub user, your life just got a little bit better, a little bit more customized, a little bit, well, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell as well for those instant notifications. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Now live in HubSpot is the ability to customize the appearance of your knowledge base by selecting a template, then setting the content and styling. Service Hub users now have more control over the look and feel of their HubSpot knowledge base. You can choose a template from a number of different options that allow you to enhance the design of your knowledge base and tie it closer to your brand. You can also add descriptions and images to categories as well as customize your font. So at this point, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, in your HubSpot portal, navigate to Service, then Knowledge Base. In the upper right-hand corner, click Customize Template. Then select a template to use as the layout for your knowledge base. You can preview what the template looks like by hovering over a template and clicking Preview. After selecting a template, you'll be taken to the template editor where you can edit the template, content, and styles. A preview of your changes will display in the right-hand panel. You can customize the template by adjusting the configuration for the various sections of the template, such as navigation bar, header, categories, footer. You can also adjust global settings for the template, such as font and link color in the style section. To publish your changes to your knowledge base, click Update Template in the top right. Now, you might be wondering who gets it. Well, this update is now live and available to HubSpot Service Hub Professional and Enterprise tiers and is available in all languages supported by HubSpot. Did you like this video? Want to get more actionable sales, marketing, and of course service tutorial updates, interviews, and more? Ready to be part of the fastest growing community of HubSpot users on the planet? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com, pick the package that's right for you, and keep on learning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell as well for those instant notifications. And last, but certainly not least, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And along the way, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.